Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about this Off Toco camera and tech bag from a Japanese brand called Elecom that I've been using for more than a year now, and it has been my daily carry for most of my tech and EDC items, which are not necessarily camera related. I'm an entrepreneur by default, and I teach at night at a university here in the Philippines. That's why I needed a tech bag that can carry both my laptop and tablet at the same time, plus all the accessories I need to conduct my lectures. It's professional, modern, and presentable enough that it doesn't look like a typical backpack, and I usually bring this when I have scheduled client meetings. From personal experience, I can say that I haven't seen any other bag in the Philippines that has the same amount of organization, quality materials, and premium design at a very competitive price. I bought this at Urbanize in UP Town Center in the Philippines at a discounted price of 2,490 pesos, coming from around 6,000 pesos. If converted to US dollars, it's around $50 only. Let's talk about the materials. This bag comes in blue, black, and gray, and is made with water repellent polyester. It stands up by itself with its minimalist squarish design. The size is medium as per Urbanize's website, and it weighs 1.5 kilograms. There are waterproof zippers for all pockets and compartments. Even if these are not YKK, quality seems good with more than a year of almost daily use. There are two quick access pockets in front. There's one small pocket for an alcohol spray, coins, and is perfect for parking tickets and receipts. One large hidden pocket that I normally use for random cables, and it also has a short key leash. In here, I placed my school ID. It can fit a small water bottle and umbrella. But keep in mind that this will eat into the inside compartment. If you're not using the key leash for your keys, it's actually a smart anti-theft feature. Just attach the key leash to both zipper pulls of the main compartment and it becomes more secure. All zipper pulls are branded with Off Toco, and again, they're not YKK, which might be a turn off for zipper purists out there, but for me, it's fine. On the front of the bag, notice that there are these detachable straps that can be used to carry a small Joby GorillaPod. Let me just show you what it looks like when I attach a tripod. You place one leg, secure it with the first buckle and strap, then do the same with the second buckle and strap. You can keep your GorillaPod in place if it's gonna be a casual shoot that doesn't involve running. On most work or school days, I usually remove this so the aesthetic is cleaner. You have subtle branding at the bottom, made with like a hard plastic material. There's another free detachable pocket accessory that's useful to keep your lens cap or some coins, or random receipts and tickets. And And this is what it looks like when I place a very large lens cap from my Sigma 16mm lens. My keys can also fit here. But I usually also take this out if I'm using this for everyday carry and not for camera use. Nicely padded straps with an adjustable sternum strap to distribute the load on your torso. A luggage pass-through, which allows you to securely place this on your luggage and free your back when you are at the airport. This thick, Ninja Turtle-like padding gives comfort when the bag is heavy but can also lead to sweaty backs. The padding gives you peace of mind while your gadgets are inside. And some load lifters to keep your bag high on your back, but I personally don't like to pull load lifters too much as it can be tight for my armpits, and we don't want that. 2 hidden pockets at the back on opposite sides of the bag, which I can use for my phone or my wallet. Note that if you have something placed there, it's gonna bulk up the lower half of the bag. And you can feel that weird bulge on your back. So I normally don't place anything large there. There are 2 sturdy grab handles made with the same material as the exterior of the bag. You can use this for hand carry mode if the bag is not filled up, or to easily remove it from the overhead compartment of airplanes. Carrying it with just one handle is not advisable if it's heavy. There's side access for the camera compartment on both ends of the bag. To access, pull the zippers and detach the magnet, pull the camera cube, unzip, and now you can see what's inside. There are these detachable Velcro dividers in different sizes that allow me to customize how I'm able to organize my accessories inside the camera cube. Right now, here's my Omni extension cord, my old MacBook Air charger, and a wireless Logitech mouse. This is what it looks like when I have a mirrorless camera inside. Right now, attached to this old Sony a6000 is a discrete 35mm APS-C E-mount lens. But you can certainly attach longer lenses and even add one more lens on the opposite side of the camera cube. If you find yourself using the side access often, you can flip the cover and place it inside, so it lessens the steps to take things out. And it also gives you extra pockets. If you are sure that you are in a secure location, you can also place either your wallet or your phone inside and any of the extra pockets it creates. But it's definitely safer for your stuff inside if everything's just zipped up. The thing with these thread-like materials that are connected to the zippers is that they can easily fray. So I suggest to carefully pull these zips to keep it from happening. Remember that the camera cube can be accessed on the other side of the bag, which makes this bag lefty friendly. In my case, I keep here my VGA cable that I use for my older classrooms and campus. The top half can be considered the admin section and has 2 pockets in front and 2 pockets at the back. I usually keep here most of my dongles, connectors, and cables. The pocket in front is good for business cards. The 2 mesh pockets work for my Anker and Asus power banks. There's a small mesh pocket on the side, but it's too small for a water bottle, so I normally place my AirPods here. The size of the main compartment is very small, while the camera cube is inside, so I can only place a small water bottle, an umbrella, and my generic tech pouch. To take advantage of the full size of the bag, especially if I want to also bring my jacket, I have to unzip this divider, or floor of the top half, take out the camera cube, and expand the capacity of the main compartment. This sacrifices a bit of organization, as I typically use the camera cube for some cables and my wallet. Let me demonstrate. I unzip the section that divides both top and bottom parts. I take out the camera cube. Notice that there's an extra pocket here that you use to hide things, like maybe extra cash or cards. I fold down the divider, I zip the side access back up, and now I have enough space for more larger items, like this Uniqlo jacket, my water bottle, my umbrella, and my tech pouch. I think there's even more space for a shirt, cap, or bulky headphones. Since I need to find another place for accessories in my camera cube, I place them in front instead. Here's my VGA cable, extension cord, and laptop charger. And both my laptop and iPad can fit without worries, and are separate from my EDC items. It has a bit of a false bottom, which protects your laptop when you place the bag on the floor, and you'd have peace of mind knowing that there's so much padding at the back to protect your devices. If I don't need to bring my iPad, I can also place my Logitech Bluetooth keyboard or even some documents inside. Note that this back pocket can be tight if you have both your laptop and iPad in a tech compartment. When you flip the bag, you can see that the bottom part is made of Hypalon rubber. This allows you to ensure that your stuff won't get wet if the bag is placed on a damp surface. There's also a free rain cover when you unzip the bottom. I haven't used this during rainy days, but I still want to show you what it looks like when it's on the bag. The bag can still be worn even if the rain cover is on. Then once it's dry, place it back inside the bottom compartment. And that's my review of the Elecom Off Toco camera bag from Urbanize, which I use more as a tech and EDC backpack. It has proven to be the most versatile, functional bag that I've ever used since we started face-to-face classes last year, despite its limited size. This video is not sponsored by any of these brands, so all opinions here are my own and based on personal experience. If you like this style of video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.